Hi, in this video I'll show you how to change the clocks on the Lexus RX450. Almost all the Lexus RX works the same. So the time is 3:35 at the moment, but this is one hour ahead. So we need to reverse. We need basically in this Lexus all we can do is turn on and off the daylight the summertime. Right, to start with we need to turn on the ignition. Right, and then on this keyboard we need to press the menu button once, then go to setup, and then click on the clock, and then scroll down to daylight saving time. At the moment this one is on. We need to turn it off as off, and the clock go back to 2:35 instead of 3:35. So that's all, and that will automatically change the time on the digital as well. As you can see on the dash is 2:35. That's it. That's easy to do it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.